Narinig niyo na ba yung kasabihan, cash is king and cash flow is queen? Grabe! Napakaganda na tong episode na ito. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung how does it affect your finances, you got to listen to this podcast.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for tuning in another podcast episode. Thank you for making this channel top 20 sa ating podcast channel, Spotify and Apple also. So guys, ito lang po, pag-uusapan po natin ang cash flow. Okay, ano yung ibig sabihin po ng cash flow? Ang cash flow po, ang ibig sabihin po niyan is daluyan po ng pera. So pag-uusapan po natin anong ibig sabihin ng cash is king, cash flow is queen. Bakit mahalaga ang cash flow? At syempre naman, paano natin mapapadami ang ating cash flow? Kung yan ang interest mo, nako, this is the episode you want to listen to. So first, why we talk about cash is king? Cash kasi, ang ibig sabihin cash is king, nangangahulugan na pagkakaroon ng pera, you have ready available resources that you can really use at your disposal. Like for example, kung meron kang pera, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng opportunity para bumili ng, let's say, investment. Okay, magkaroon ka ng investment, bumili ka ng lupa. So pag meron kang investment ng lupa, cash is king. Bakit? Kasi mabibili mo mababa, mabibenta mo na mataas in the future. Number 2, kunyari, meron ka ring pera, extra cash, di ba? Pwede kang magnegosyo. Kahit na may magandang opportunity, pero pag wala kang puhunan, syempre, mahirap mag-umpisa. So that's the reason why we're saying cash is king. Kaya nga, huwag kayong parating excited, no?
Uy, may pera ako, nililit ang pera ng value ng pera ko.
So, kung nasa bangko, okay lang, you just keep it there. Kasi once you find an opportunity, that money that you invested can probably double, triple in less amount of time rather than putting in a, say, fixed instrument na talaga nakapako ka talaga. So, importante po, keep yourself liquid, okay? Cash is king. Repeat after me. Cash is king. Now, let's talk about cash flow is queen. Iba na naman po yan, ha? When you say cash, ready, available. When you say cash flow, ang ibig sabihin po naman dyan, ito ang tumutukoy sa pagpasok ng pera. Okay? Pagpasok ng pera. Ang magandang cash flow or tinatawag natin is dapat mas malaki ang pagpasok ng pera kaysa paglabas ng pera. Kaya importante na para magkaroon ka ng cash is king, kailangan magkaroon ka ng magandang cash flow. Gets nyo? Kaya nga siyang tinatawag ng queen. Kasi kahit naggaano kalaki ang hawak mo ng cash, ano mangyayari? Pag walang cash flow, dahan-dahan siyang mauubos. As a matter of fact, hindi dahan-dahan. One big purchase lang can wipe out your cash flow pag wala ka na pumapasok. Agree or disagree? Alam niyo po yan. So, grabe po, no? So, mahalaga talaga na magkaroon ng cash is king, cash flow is queen. Again, pag may cash ka, ulitin ko, cash is king, makaka-take advantage ka ng opportunities. Maharap mo yung mga emergencies. Makakabayad ka sa utang. Mas madali kang makakapag-decide at di ka aasa sa iba or utang. Again, cash flow is queen. Naninigurado tayo na sapat ang pondo araw-araw kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagpasok ng pera. As a matter of fact, before you can have cash is king, you have to really have cash flow. Talagang, yan ang pag-manage po ng cash flow. Yan ang pinaka-best talaga. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang pinaka-perfect example po niya, nung panahon ng pandemic, nung tumigil po ang mundo, kamusta ang iyong cash flow? Kahit na may cash ka, okay, cash is king, pero pag walang cash flow na pumapasok, dahan-dahan mauubos si king. Kaya kailangan natin si queen. Gets? Ay, grabe naman, no? Sana na-enlighten kayo. Kaya nga, ano yung tips natin para mapanatili po natin ang ating regular cash flow? Number 1, let me suggest, monitor your cash flow regularly. So, check your income, your sources of income. That's number 1. How many sources of income do you have? Do you have 1 major or do you have 2? Do you have 3? Do you have 4? Again, the more the better. Kaya monitor mo ang pagpasok ng pera. Also, hindi lang pagpasok, check mo na rin kung paglabas. Again, the goal is for you to earn more than you spend more. If you spend more than you earn more, negative na ang cash flow mo. Clear? Number 2, if you already realize, okay, Chinky, my cash flow is not really that healthy right now kasi maraming natanggal sa income ko, humina negosyo ko, nawala yung isang kliyente ko. Okay, so right now, ito yung next na gagawin mo. Hindi ka maghanap ng kliyente. Hindi ka mag-start ka ng bagong business because it will take time. Hindi ka maghanap agad ng opportunity. Immediate, kailangan cut unnecessary expenses. Always remember, na talagang just as some people make enough money to live comfortably but they want to live extravagantly. Yan ang problema. Bawasan muna natin, tanggalin muna natin ang mga hindi kailangan. Taste muna. Bawat piso na matitipid mo ngayon sa panahon ng medyo kagipitan, talagang makakatulong sa pag-improve ng cash flow mo. And then number 3, okay? Importante, improve your cash flow resources right now. This is the part, ladies and gentlemen. Let me encourage you. Kailangan magkaroon ka tayo tinatawag na diversification. Dapat hindi lang isang source ng pinagkakitaan mo. Dapat meron kang isang main source. Pangalagaan mo yung main source. That's very important. Always remember, never ever kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Kung trabaho mo yan, kung yan ang business mo, huwag ka mag-open na may conflict of interest with your present one. Instead na makatulong yan, maniwala ka. Makakasira yan. Kaya never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Number 2, never put your eggs in one basket. Pag na-secure mo na yung pinakaunang cash flow mo, steady na siya, growing na siya, stable na siya, that is the time you entertain. Don't ever entertain a second source of cash flow kung hindi pa healthy yung pinakauna. Clear? Importante po na huwag tayong aasa sa isang source of income. Kapag diversified ang income mo, mas maganda at mas maraming opportunity. Kaya nga yan ang ginagawa ng mayayaman, di ba? Just in case na humina ang unang negosyo, meron siyang second, meron siyang third, meron siyang fourth. Again, reminder, make sure yung pinakaunang source mo is stable muna. And once you have already a source of cash flow, that's what we call cash flow is queen. Again, make cash is king. Kailangan may reserve po tayo. Magtabi na po tayo ng tinatawag nating emergency fund. How long? If you are a follower of mine, some people say 3 to 6 months. I say 6 months, 1 year. The more the better. Importante na may extra funds ka para pag hindi ka ma-stress, di ba? Sa mga biglaan na mga unforeseen events na meron kang pwedeng dukutan. Does it make sense? Again, ladies and gentlemen, cash is very important because it gives us the financial power and flexibility and it gives you more choices. Guys, napakahirap mag-decide, napakahirap pumili. Minsan, pag wala kang cash, wala kang choice. Pag marami kang cash, marami kang choice. Agree? Ayan, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, gusto mo bang mag-increase ang iyong cash flow? Yan. The best way for you to increase your cash flow is to start your own enterprise, start your own business. But Chinky, I do not know how to start my own business. I'm clueless. Okay guys, para sa mga tao na who wants really to learn on the basic of starting your business, how to start, how to launch, how to grow your own business, meron akong free webinar that will teach you on how you can increase your cash flow with Boss RDR. Ito po yung tinatawag naming Nego Ascenso. Again, hanapin mo na lang yung session na Nego Ascenso. Meron kaming collaboration together that will teach you on how you can start earning more cash flow. Maraming salamat and I hope that you get enlightened with this, again, episode na ito. Napakaganda na. Cash is king, cash flow is queen, cash is king, cash flow is queen. If you like this episode, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, share this podcast episode to your friends. Always remember, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solutions, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye.